I had some dusty, dirty floors I pretended not to see. A quarter-inch deep, somebody ought sweep, as long as somebody's not me. So I got this Roomba thing that does a good share. Its way it meanders, sucking up dust and dander underneath tables and chairs. Roomba, you are my vacuum. Roomba, you do my chores. Roomba, you are my vacuum, randomly cleaning my floors. I named my Roomba Theodore. I'm not sure why at all. I don't need to mention that Theo's not sentient, don't program to come when you call. It was a house cleaning day. Open windows, open doors. While the door was a gate, Theo escaped. Now we can't find him no more. Theo, you are a vacuum. You don't belong outdoors. Theo, you are a vacuum that nature abhors. Theo's got no predators, none that I can see. So I guess he'll keep trucking, just wandering and sucking till the end of his battery. Theo, you were my vacuum. Now I'm just out of luck. Theo, I miss my vacuum. Without you, cleaning just sucks.